In case you want to model using the knife tool and a photo which has perspective in it, first select the part that you want to use and delete the rest. Then adjust the UVs in the UV editor window to compensate for the perspective. This way the texture will look as if the picture was taken from the front. Now you can cut out shapes and details using the knife tool as explained in the previous video. If there's a part which is problematic, like this iron railing in front of this window, you can use the knife tool to select that region and then move the vertices up in the UV editor window in order to solve it. And of course, you can model your own railing to replace the one in the photo. If you like this tip, you'll also like the Blender Secrets ebook, with more than 1,000 pages and more on the way. By clicking on a topic in the index, you are transported to the relevant pages. And clicking on the link at the bottom of the page takes you back to the index of 400 plus topics. To see the corresponding video on a topic, simply click on the topic title. Updates are always free for customers both on Gumroad and Blender Market.